Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is prosciutto wrapped pesto chicken. Try and say that quickly after a few pints. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First we make the pesto. Simply put the garlic, pine nuts, parmesan cheese, basil, pinch of black pepper and olive oil into a blender and blend to a fine paste. We're making a bit more pesto here than we need for this recipe because I intend using it for another recipe later in the week, and it will keep in the fridge for at least a week. We blended this properly, we thought, but somehow a clove of garlic got through. You'll see that later. Next we prepare the chicken. Simply place the chicken breast in a food bag and using a meat mallet flatten it out to about 1 centimetre thickness and try and keep the camera on the worktop when you're doing it. Some people say my wife is heavy handed, but I won't have that. She was very gentle with me on my wedding night. Next we make the rolls. Put a layer of ham on the board, put the chicken breast on top of the ham, 2 good dollops of the pesto mix, roll up and place on an oven proof tray. How that garlic clove didn't blend I'll never know. Then repeat for the second chicken breast. Then it's off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until thoroughly cooked through. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.